Next up, Peng from China. Well, going for a pretty radical punt there, where when you push off the wall like that, it's called a punt.
Competed at the 23 World Championships and also the 2018 World Championships, did Zhang.
Zhang's from the Sichuan province, which is quite close to Tibet. He trains in Meiyi, a small river town surrounded by mountains, which gives it the most tropical climate in China. Very at home on big water. The course where he trains is very large, and you know, if it's a big course in China, it's a big course for anyone.
Well, he's rattled through 15 just to make sure the judges completely got that. He hit both poles. So 4 seconds of penalties so far. Countryman Zhang on the course, on his way, top left-hand screen. As Peng heads towards the bottom of the course, finish line in sight. The big strokes to get him across the line here. 1:08.22 and has Zhang in 13th spot.